Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog. So today Tuesday morning here and probably Tuesday evening in the Philippines. I'm still not feeling too good, so just try to tune up a bit. So probably a quick one right now. So we're gonna do probably legs. Okay, we start cracking. Oh, excuse me. Just gonna use this one, guys. This equipment right here, that's the one we're gonna use. So a B squat. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I put another 245, so that's about 90 and 90. So about almost 200 pounds, guys. So yeah, I just used that machine the second attempt. So probably one more set because I'm not still feeling too good. See, equipment right here. Okay, let's do it. Something's wrong, guys. Pardon my delay. Yeah, probably one more. Just take a drink of water a bit. See you guys. Got my shit right here. Okay, we'll go opposite side and we call it a day. Okay, probably that's it for the morning, guys, because I'm still gonna work later. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace out.